Tuft brush is one of my favorite brushes to buff away those stains. Use this brush before or after using your Supreme toothbrush to scrub surfaces that need a little extra attention. Using this brush on the front teeth will help to remove any sticky plaque left behind that can hold the stains we get from certain foods and drinks. You can even use it on the tongue side of the teeth where dental plaque sits too long and your dental professional needs to scale it away. Parents, you can even use it to scrub the top surfaces of your kids' teeth, which could always use a little extra brushing. Or use it after they brush to touch up areas where kids often miss. This brush will be a great complement to your brushing routine. Its uses are endless and will really take your home care to the next level.